Analyte is a solution that we make that's derived from what we call electrolysis, electrochemical activation. So we use salt, you can see here, normal non-iodidated food grade salt, NaCl, and then we mix it with water, and we also add a bit of electricity, and then through that process we produce Analyte in this electrochemical activation. So the system that's standing behind me is what does that. In the electrolysis process, basically we split the water into two parts, the water and the salt mixture, and then on the positive side of this process we create Analyte, which is an oxidizing chemical. We make sure that the process is maintained at a very neutral pH, which then results in a chemical species developed or formed in the process that's called HOCl, hypochlorous acid. So very important: salt, water, electricity, pH neutral, and then we make this non-toxic solution Analyte that's very effective and that contains that HOCl, hypochlorous acid chemical, which is very important. So how is Analyte made? We take the salt, the water, and we mix it. So this system behind us is a PLC controlled system. The water and salt is mixed downstairs. There's a salt pump, there's a water pump. Mix the water and the salt. The system controls the ratio of salt and water, and then it's pumped through the electrolytic cells, where the water is then split in a positive and a negative. And then from those electrolytic cells we have two outputs, which is basically the Analyte, which is the one that we are concerned with here, the disinfectant solution, and we also make a Catholyte. Radical Waters, we are a company that is very passionate about ECA, electrolysis. That is the only thing that we do. We specialize in the application of ECA technology. We have been busy with this technology since late 90s, and we develop various applications. We patent the applications. To give a few examples, CIP, cleaning in place, for food and beverage processes. Then we also have some applications in normal food processing. We have patents in live animal. We explore medical applications for Analyte. So people often ask me, why is the Analyte so safe? And it's a very simple answer, because it's a very simple and basic technology. Through the electrolysis process, where we use salt, water and electricity, we make this chemical that's called HOCl. So if you go online and you search HOCl and the body, you will learn that HOCl is actually the chemical that your body produces in the white blood cell to fight microorganisms. So if you have a virus, bacterial infection, your body will produce HOCl in the white blood cell, and that HOCl is then used to kill the microorganism. For that very reason, the Analyte solution is completely safe to use for human beings to consume, contact with hands, inhale. So for example, during the COVID-19 outbreak, what we realized is that our Analyte, which we call Actsol, is actually a very, very good alternative disinfectant, sanitizer, surface disinfectant. So the Analyte's in this bottle. For example, we continuously disinfect our door handles. We also have applications now where the Actsol is sprayed in misting tunnels. The nice thing about the Actsol or the Analyte is that it is non-toxic, so it's not alcohol based, but it's extremely effective. So we are actually getting feedback that the efficiency of Analyte to kill microorganisms are superior. So for the COVID-19 situation, the Actsol seems to be a winner. Radical Water supply Analyte in bulk solutions like these. These are our Axel containers that contain 25 liters of Analyte. We can also supply Analyte in 1000 liter flow bins, so filled by the liter, or alternatively we sell the ECA generators, we maintain them and we install them, so you can make your own Analyte on site.